teachers and charming students. Congratulations on beginning of English Week and best wishes for our job. English is a global language. It is spoken as a first or official language in many countries in the world and on every continent. About 350 million people speak English as a first.
What is prediction? How do you think? A prediction in reading is thinking about a story and guessing what will happen next.
Dear teachers and students, I congratulate you with the opening the week of English language.
Friend white and friendly teacher will inside. Hurry, hurry, let's go in. First in the lesson.
Good day, dear our teachers and pupils. We are very glad to see you. I want to congratulate you with the beginning of the English week. Let's speak in English.
My motherland, my dear land, let them all let thee in peace. Be happy land, be happy people, be joyful people of Kazakhstan.
Congratulations on the opening of English Week. I hope that all of you will take an active part in our lessons during this week and show our English in high results. Good luck to you all.
Good morning, dear teachers and pupils. This week is English Week. It's an excellent time how to improve your English. I congratulate you with the opening English Week. It will be very interesting and useful for you because English is an international language of our times.
English language is a bit. Learning it for me is great, but the language is so nice. Learn it, that is my.
Good day, dear teachers and the pupils. I congratulate you with the week of English. English is probably the most widespread language on earth. People all over the world speak English.
Hi my dears, I am from 8A. Happy English Week. I like
cello, violin, double bass,
Hello everybody, welcome to our English.
Elements of a story are characters, settings, plot, problem, solution, and theme.
My motherland, my dear land, let my land be in peace. Be happy land, be happy people, be joyful people.